Hi knitters, my name is Racha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's lesson, I will show you how to do the knit stitch. This is a very basic of knitting. So let's get started. So this is how the piece will look like after you knit several rows. And to begin, you have to cast on first, and you can look at lesson 1 that I showed you before. So to begin the knit stitch, after the cast on, you will turn the piece like that. This is for the right hand knitter. If you left hand, you will be holding the piece on your right hand and needle on your left hand. So this is how I do my knit. First, insert the stitch into the front loop. There are two loops, the front and back. So the front loop is right here. So just insert the right hand needle like that, and then bring the yarn around from the bottom up around the right hand needle. Tuck it a little bit, and then bring that loop, the new loop, through the old loop. So you slip both of them off, then you will get a knit stitch. Let's try it again. See how it goes. Insert the needle through the front loop like that, and wrap the yarn around the right hand needle from the bottom up and around. Pull that tail a little bit, and then bring the yarn like through that loop. Try not to let it drop, and slip the stitch off the left hand needle. Now you get another one of the knit stitch. So keep doing the same way that you did before, and eventually you get a lot of knit stitch. And then after finish this row, you can begin the next row. So keep doing like that. So knit every stitch. So this is called garter stitch, which is knit every row. The next lesson you will learn the purl stitch, which is opposite. So this is how the piece look like. It's a little bumpy, but it look pretty. So keep practice, and I will see you on the next video. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye bye.